house tour, and someone's staring at me. And we're doing a house tour. We're going to go see where Heather is. Let's go check Heather's house. Hello, Heather. Show us your house.
Hi, this is my room. And then
There's an intruder in your house.
this is my laptop. You know,
I like your lamp.
I love it. And this. Oh, my sofa.
I don't like your sofa. Heather, there's an intruder in your house. There's an intruder in your house. There's a stranger in my house.
Okay, I got to go pee now.
Okay, let's watch Heather pee. Did you just come?
No. Go bathe.
Okay, let's watch. Sexy strip. Okay. Show us your kitchen.
Okay. This is my kitchen. I don't use it of course. No, it's no food.
Oh, you're so rich.
Yeah. Everything comes with a price. In
Just to
case
show.
my friend, they spoil my thing.
Just to
There's a
show.
price they need to pay.
Just to show how rich you are. Okay, let's go.
Take a look at my other house. I have a lot of houses.
Oh well. I just snorted.
There's a lot of strangers in my house. I don't know why.
How many living room do you have?
A lot. It's my favorite one. Horror. Thingy. Where you can play hide and seek. I don't understand. A door that cannot be opened.
It's just for decoration. Two idiots.
More strangers in my house. Hi, today I'll be cooking something for Sabrina to eat. This is my kitchen.
I love your ass, baby. Make me, make me some sandwich, woman. Where's the egg? Okay, that's Heather's cooking. You're like, huh?
How are you doing now?
We have intruder in our house again. I'm just going. We're gonna show Heather's artwork. Isn't it so awesome? She have to work with the body.
This is totally me, okay?
Okay. You look much prettier. Okay, let's go. The intruder is giving us weird eyes. Energetic. We have a friend. You want to see our friend? Better be careful. They might do. He's a bit tired. Okay, let's swing again. I think I'm gonna fall down.
It's our wedding day.
Oh well.
We have the same wedding on the same day.
Look at our wedding dress. Dress is black. Okay, your best friend is looking at us. Okay, bye bye. This big sex toy. Heather, this is for you. I keep snorting today.
I don't know why I have to be so ugly in your video.
It's okay, let's be ugly together. 1, 2, 3. So charming. Okay,
like a super huge vagina hole.
You can totally fist it.
So
Oh shit.
that's the end of the house tour. See you next time. Bye bye.
So we have come to the end of the video, and you can go check out Heather's channel. She got a lot of videos. She's actually very normal in her own videos. Oh, is anyone staring? Yeah. She's actually very normal in her own videos, but her true colors come out when she's with me.
Yeah. I was about to say something, but I don't know what
said
to
it all.
say.
Bye bye.
Bye.